Hey guys, good morning. So today is January 24 and we are celebrating my almost birthday. We're going to Singapore for 4 days, 5 days, 4 nights. And today is it's very early. Our flight is actually 5:50 in the morning. But we were here very early, siguro mga before 2 a.m. kasi we were anticipating na there's gonna be a lot of people. Pero so far, checking in and baggage drop has been very smooth. There's just a lot of people and queue sa immigration, but right after that, everything is okay. There's still a lot of renovation happening here sa NAIA, so lounge is also very limited. As you can see, we're here sa Marhaba kasi yung PAGS lounge natin access is okay naman kaso waiting. So dito buti na lang pwede din tayo. And later on as well, once nag-free up sa PAGS, lipat tayo doon kasi meron doon siomai. Dito kasi wala eh. Meron lang ditong lugaw. That's it. Ayun, so we'll try to document our trip and I'll see you. Bye. Hey guys, di ba daw ako nahihiya mag-vlog? Let's go. So nag-text yung PAGS and they have an available slot na. We'll transfer there and see if meron siomai. The hunt for siomai friends. So kuha nakatry na ng lounge dito. Well, naman lounge naman dito natin sa NAIA is not that fancy. Okay lang. I mean, mapagtsatsagaan. Sana may madagdag na mga lounge na mas magaganda. Pero so far, okay na. And a lot of people are really just looking for a comfortable place to stay while waiting for their flights. And masarap yung lugaw. Tsaka yung siomai. Kanina pa ako siomai. So sana meron. Balitaan ko kayo.
Please board the aircraft now through gate 4.
Okay, we're here na sa PAGS Lounge. We'll see. Ay, Merry Christmas pa din. Finally, there's siomai.
Wow.
Sure, I think I can finish 6. And let's put some chilies. First flight siomai. Let's check this out. Siomai dito. So yun, successful tayo na makakuha ng siomai. And now, wala tayo masyadong ginagawa and we are just lounging, chilling. So with my gin tonic, pampakalma. Well, I guess itong PAGS lounge is somehow, I'd say the best na. Well, there are really just a few options here. Kasi maluwag siya, mas maraming food choices. Yun nga lang, there are times na sobrang daming tao. Pero pag na-champan mo naman, just like now, nag-clear up na yung mga tao and marami na upuan. So, mas comfortable din kasi nga malawak. So, we're gonna wait here until we board and siguro later as well, nasa Singapore na tayo. And again, I mean, wala akong matinong tulog. So, sana, normally hindi ako nakakatulog sa aeroplano, but so sana makatulog ako this time para may konting energy and makapaglibot-libot din sa Singapore. So, we'll see. Alright, so we're boarding now, guys. It's time check. It's 5:05. That's right on time. In a few hours, we'll be in Singapore. So, we'll see you there. now about to fly, and in flight time is 4 hours. Bye guys. See you in Singapore. Okay, we just arrived in Singapore. Still at the airport. Wala pa rin tayong tulog, but it's good to be back. I think the last time I was here in Singapore was year 2013. So grabe, more than, I don't know, 16 years almost. Nung last time nagpunta kami dito was also around the same month. Kasi almost, ano na yun, birthday ko din yun eh. So, let's go.
I could be the twisted to make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space.
Hey guys, welcome to Singapore. And here, nasa Terminal 1 tayo. Let's look at that. So nice, no? We're at the Vortex. I don't know, is it Vortex pa yung tawag dito? Look, amazing. Welcome to Singapore! There's a lot of people right now. Well, actually, I think every time naman. Just look at that. Parang ka nasa... Ano tawag doon? Nasa planetarium ba? Subukan nating tawirin ang tulay. Dito sa 5th floor, there's a lot of restaurants din and also parks. So, daming pwedeng tambayan kapag either sumamasyal or naghihintay ng flight or naghihintay ng mga susundin. So, let's go. I'll take you there. So, apparently, sa Canopy Walk, may ticket price. Ay, may ticket kang bilhin. Need to get the tickets over here. I'm just not sure how much that is. Let me check. 54 Singaporean dollars for one. Pag children, 39. I think ang makikita mo lang naman is tatawid ka lang naman dun sa bridge, and then may mga parang sort of playpens for the kids. So hindi na natin itatry kasi yun lang naman yata yung magagawa doon. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome to Singapore Vlog. So, ayun, dahil sa pagod, we took a nap. And right now, just walking. And malapit lang yung hotel namin sa Fort Canning Park. So, we are gonna go there and see what's in there. Buti na lang, hindi masyadong mainit. So, it's a nice weather out here. Not that bad. Sabi dito, like 5 minutes walk lang. Malapit lang, but we're just gonna get coffee muna. So, walking around here sa may Robertson Quay, yun, merong mga local shops where we can eat. Yun, guys, we're here sa Fort Canning Park. So, we're looking for the tree tunnel. Sabi dun daw, medyo it's quite a bit of a walk. Hindi tayo na-inform na medyo may pagka-hiking pala dito. I think we're, you would see the view here of the quay. So let's check it out. Hopefully wala masyadong tao. Ang goal lang naman natin ay makapagpa-picture. Masabi na we went here. And looking at the pictures, it looks pretty nice. This is the Forbidden Spring. So apparently there's a queue just to take a photo here sa tree tunnel. It's quite a bit of a walk. Tapos ang lapit lang pala niya sa road. So, nagkamali siguro kami ng lapit. And ganyan po sila. Oh, there's like a tunnel here pala. Oh, pretty nice here too. Mamaya. Take a photo here as well. So ending, hindi tayo nakapagpa-picture sa tunnel. Pabalikan na lang natin. For the fun part, we need to tayo sa food.
Yeah.
We're here sa Lao Pao Sat. And still, we are checking out food here. Alright. First meal, Singapore chicken rice. Try it. Grabe, sarap. Okay, that was a good meal. For $8 sa chicken rice, this is the store. Wala pa tayo napipiling drinks. We're gonna find one and then also we'll go get more food. Let's go. So there's a Michelin Bib Gourmand store right over here. It's Michelin Bib Gourmand. So hinihintay natin yung order natin na fried kway teow. I think it's like a fried noodles. So apparently it's a Michelin Bib Gourmand. The name of the store is Lao Fuzi. Also just waiting for my brother and my sister-in-law. Hindi pa alam ni Kay ng cousins ko na they'll be here. So yun lang. It's gonna be a surprise. Okay. Try na natin. Ito siya. May lasa siya parang, sabi ko na ba, like the sambal paste. I think that's what para siyang pantay pero with sambal. Hello!
안녕. 안녕하세요.
Okay, we're strolling around here sa may Merlion Park. Look at that, Marina Bay Sand is so pretty. Like, na-realize mo nga sabi ko, bakit sa Pilipinas wala tayong masyadong gantong areas where people can chill, open areas, or I think meron naman pero hindi ko alam kung hindi natin masustain. Okay, so Merlion Park, mandatory. So if you're new here or not new but first time to Singapore, go to Merlion Park. Actually, itong panahon na to, napakaganda ng weather kasi hindi mainit, presko. Okay, and that's our day one vlog here in Singapore. Bukas, I'm not sure what the plans are. I think we're gonna go to Marina Bay Sands and Garden by the Bay. And then Monday, Universal Studios. So, good night, everyone.